I'll never snore again after learning these tips. You won't either. First up, change your sleep position. Sleeping on your side can make a huge difference. Next, keep those nasal passages open. A hot shower before bed works wonders. Change your pillows too. Dust mites can build up and cause allergies, so swap them out regularly. Stay well hydrated. Dehydration makes your nose stuffier, which leads to, you guessed it, snoring. And finally, avoid alcohol before bedtime. It relaxes your throat muscles, making snoring more likely. Try these simple tips and say goodbye to snoring. Sweet dreams, everyone.